So it appears some Galaxy S26 Ultra users are seeing fog inside their camera lens. Yikes. Fog inside their moisture inside their freaking cameras right when they unbox it. You're going to want to look out for this. Now, I think this is something right when it's unboxed and not something that develops over time. However, theoretically, I guess it could develop over time because it developed while it was inside the box. So who's to say it can't, generate moisture inside the camera lens a month from now if it already did it within a month of sitting in the warehouse? You see what I'm saying? So keep an eye on this. Samsung has not made a statement in regards to this moisture. I'm going to show you some pictures from a user. The problem was first highlighted by leaker Ice Universe, who observed fogging in the 3x and 5x telephoto lenses after exposing the phone to temperatures around -6 degrees Celsius, which is like, I don't know, 20 degrees, 25 degrees Fahrenheit, so under freezing temperatures. He noted similar complaints on South Korean message boards, suggesting it might be a widespread issue. Two potential explanations for the fogging are being considered. So, one is obviously insufficient sealing around the camera lenses, or internal humidity from the phone's evaporation chamber condensing on cold surfaces, possibly accelerated by undried adhesives. Whatever it is, not good. So while Samsung, as I mentioned, they have not officially commented, users are being advised to let the phone acclimate to room temperatures for self-evaporation, and if the issue persists, document it, take pictures, take photos, timestamp that, so you can keep that for warranty claims, or for future reference. Let me show you exactly what this looks like because it's interesting. So this is what it looks like. This is the S26 Ultra with a foggy camera lens. Now, users are saying it's happening on the 3x and 5x telephoto. So I believe the 200 megapixel main sensor is the very one up top, and the 3x and 5x are these two bottom sensors. You can tell this is the same phone at two different angles. S26 Ultra on the left, same S26 Ultra on the right. They just took two different photos because the one on the left, you can obviously see there's something there below the lens. And on the right, you can as well, but you can also see it here on the middle lens. There's definitely moisture in there. There's definitely moisture in there. So it's IP68 water resistant. However, look, this has been a thorn in the butt to some manufacturers. It has to do with where it's manufactured. Is the environment dry at the time of construction of the device? This should not happen. Let's make that 100% clear. I've never had a phone, knock on wood, where this has happened. But from time to time, every couple of years, you'll see this happen with a launch where there's just moisture in there. Now, these have triggers in there for if the motherboard is exposed to moisture and or water, it'll turn like a pink. It's like a little white square card, and if it gets moisture and or water on it, it'll turn pink. So if you send this into Samsung, they'll obviously open it up and see if that little square has moisture detector has been activated, and if not, and there's moisture underneath the camera lens, obviously they'll replace the device for you. What I hope is that here's a worst case scenario. You get an S26 Ultra, you open it up, no moisture, you're good to go. You're loving this phone, and you're using it for, I don't know, 2 or 3 months, and then you start to notice a spot or two, and you're like, what the hell is that? And then over the next day or so, you see it moisture up like this picture. You're past your return window, right? Because you have a 2-week return window. But after 2 or 3 months, I would hope Samsung would cover that under a warranty. I think they will. Obviously, document, take pictures, call Samsung, let them know this is happening. and they should return. I would think they would. They haven't made a statement on this, but this is something that in the past other phone manufacturers would give you a replacement for. Even I think if you're within the warranty window, meaning I think they all come with a 1-year warranty. Don't hold me to that. I think they all come with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. So if you're within that window, you should be fine to get a new device. Just make sure you document and let them know as soon as you notice something. But please check that right out of the box.